Hi, we're back again. Today we're going to be making ice cream. It's that time of the year, summer, and we all enjoy ice cream. We have bought an ice cream machine and we don't like the recipe that came with it. So we are going to alter the recipe and we are going to show you how we do it. If you own an ice cream machine, give this recipe a try and I'm sure you will enjoy it. And this standing next to me is Edwin.
Hi guys.
And we will be back shortly and we are going to get everything ready and show you how to make ice cream. We're sure that this recipe can be used on any ice cream maker. Okay, now we're going to be making the ice cream. Now Edwin is going to be measuring out the ingredients and the ingredients will be put in the description below. But just for record, it is 250 mils of milk or 1 cup of milk. Must be whole cream milk, not low fat, must be whole cream. And then it's half a cup of sugar or 100 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then after Edwin has put that in, we're going to use the electric mixer and beat everything up together. We're not putting in the cream at this stage. We're going to be dissolving the sugar into the milk and then after that we will add the cream. Right. You don't want to go too fast with your mixer. Get it off the scale for now. I don't think the scale's happy me mixing on top of it. The sugar's all gone. You don't see any sugar sitting there, do you? No, it's all gone. So we just gonna take this. Now we're gonna add 375 mils of cream. Put this back on the scale.
It must be well chilled.
Yes, and not frozen, chilled. Right, now just mix it a little bit on low speed of the mixer. Just a little bit, not too much, about 30 seconds or so, until the cream and milk has combined. Don't overmix with the mixer because it's going to be a long time in the ice cream machine. I think that's about it. I think that's about it now. Now Edwin's going to transfer the mixture to a jug to make it easy to pour into the ice cream maker. To move this up. Doesn't that sound nice? Okay, and then we're going to just switch it on here. It should be defaulting to 60 minutes, Ed?
It's defaulted to 60 minutes.
That's fine. And now we want to start it. And now we gently pour the cream in. And as I said, I do things a little differently to Edwin because I'm blind. So you might see me pouring in a little more differently to the way you would do it or Edwin would do it. Pour the mixture in slowly into the ice cream maker, not too fast, otherwise you will make a mess. Well, I certainly will anyway. I'm doing okay?
Mixing a little bit.
And there we have it all in. Now Edwin will just show you what it looks like. We've just put it in and the temperature of the machine is at
19 degrees.
Okay, this should go down to about 30 degrees. Minus 30 degrees. As this ice cream maker mixes, the temperature will continue to drop to about 29 degrees, 30, 31 degrees.
It's now at 17, it started at 20 just now.
So we started at 20 and we're already at 17 degrees.
So we'll just keep giving you updates as we go along.
And we'll be back in an hour to enjoy the ice cream.
As you can see, it is mixing, and you will have also noticed it's getting colder and colder in there. At the moment it's sitting at minus 21 degrees. You will notice it's getting thicker as it starts to mix. It has been about half an hour. As you can see, it's about the consistency of soft serve ice cream. If you wanted to serve it up at this point, you could. What you would probably do is take it out of here, putting it into an icing bag, and then putting it onto a waffle or into an ice cream bowl or into a cone, however you would want it. You will notice that the ice cream machine has stopped churning now. The consistency is of a medium hard ice cream. It now will just start freezing for the last few minutes until it is totally frozen, and you will then have your hard ice cream. Depending on how you like your ice cream is determined by the length of time you leave it in the machine. as you can see, this is basically ready. We will just carry on waiting for the 1 hour to be done.
The ice cream is almost ready. The 1 hour waiting period was killing me, and I'm sure Edwin as well.
Absolute torture.
Okay, we like our ice cream hard. I like hard ice cream. But you can make soft ice cream, medium ice cream, hard ice cream. It all depends on what you want. This ice cream machine does it up to 1 hour, which is hard ice cream, and then you can set the time according to what you want the ice cream to be. So any second now, the beeper should go off. How much time have we got, Ed?
35 seconds.
35 seconds to wait for some ice cream with chocolate on
And as
the
you
top.
can see there, from the temperature, minus 31 degrees.
Now imagine how cold it is there. I think the temperature here today is somewhere in its 20s, about 23, somewhere, I'm not sure. And we are waiting patiently, and we're going to show you what the ice cream looks like
9 seconds.
when it comes out of the machine. And there we have it. Beautiful ice cream. Now, we're going to get this off. There it is. Look at that. Scrumptious. Isn't it wonderful, Ed?
Beautiful.
Now, to get the handle and to take this out. Right, there we go. The little bowl comes out of the machine. And Edwin is going to do the honors of dishing it out for you to see.
Got our bowls ready. It actually comes with a little spoon out of the machine. So you just dig some out and into the bowl.
And Edwin is taking too long. Hurry up. Wouldn't you guys love to taste some of this? Just look at it. This has been made by us. Fresh milk, fresh cream, in the machine, out comes ice cream.
And now people have licked the tub.
Oh yes, that incident. Let's not go there. And now Edwin's going to put some chocolate on the top. This one's going to be a little difficult. He's not a good decorator at it, but we don't care. We're just putting the chocolate on. Just shake that a bit. I think that's okay.
This is chocolate that actually goes hard the moment you put it on the ice cream.
It's wonderful. Instant chocolate freeze.
Okay, let's go sit and try.
Now to taste. Beautiful. Absolutely awesome.
So we're just going to have our ice cream and then we'll be back.
And there you have it. We enjoyed some beautiful homemade ice cream. Just a word of warning though, when you make ice cream, you need to use good quality cream, good quality milk. Do not use milk that is half cream or low fat milk. It has to be full cream, good quality milk. Otherwise your ice cream is not going to work and you're going to be disappointed. And there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this little video. Please share the video, like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on that little bell icon so that you can be notified as and when we do post updates. We're not sure when we will be posting updates, but we'll post them as and when we do. We hope we can do one every week, or perhaps even every day. It all depends. Hey Ed?
That's it. So we'll see you guys again next time.
In another video. And from me, Mike.
And me, Edwin.
Bye.
Bye.